And we have news coming in of another temple flashpoint, this time at Bhojshala in Madhya Pradesh's Dhar. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has ordered an ASI survey of the disputed Bhojshala complex. The plea in this regard was filed by Vishnu Shankar Jain. The petitioner stated that the mosque has been constructed by destroying the ancient structure of previously constructed Hindu temples for the construction of mosque. This is a Kamal Maula Mosque, which was constructed during the regime of Mahmud Khilji II sometime in 1514. So that's the latest bit of breaking news update coming in. Let me go across to Akanksha joining us with more details. This is the Madhya Pradesh High Court now ordering an ASI survey, yet another temple flashpoint. And the story is the same that is being discussed in the, several other northern states of the country as well. Akanksha.
Well, absolutely. After ASI survey of the Gyanvapi Mosque complex, survey will now be conducted in the disputed Bhojshala complex that is in the Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh. Now, as per the Hindu side, they believe that this is a temple of goddess Saraswati, while the Muslim community says that this is a mosque. And to find out the nature and the age of the Bhojshala complex area, now the survey will be conducted there anytime now using the GPR technique. Remember, the same technique was used during the survey in Gyanvapi Mosque complex. Ground penetrating radar survey will be done, excavation will be done, carbon dating to find out the age of the structure will also be done, and other modern techniques will also be used by the ASI. Now, as per the order, what the High Court has said that the report will be submitted by the 5 senior officials of the ASI within the next 6 weeks. And we spoke to the lawyer Vishnu Shankar Jain, who has filed this petition, and he said that the survey can begin anytime now.
Okay, let's hear it from Mr. Vishnu Shankar Jain as well. Stay on with us, Akanksha. He's with us on the phone line. Vishnu Shankar Jain ji, the High Court has admitted your petition, your plea, has allowed your plea. Your first thoughts, sir?
Yeah, I think the Honorable High Court has passed a perfectly valid and legal order, and this order is within the domain of Section 16 of the ASI Act. The point in issue is this, that whether the religious character of this premise in question has to be determined, and the religious character can be determined only by way of a survey. The Honorable Indore High Court has directed for GPR survey. The Honorable High Court has also directed for excavation. The Honorable High Court has directed a 5-member team headed by the director of the ASI to do this survey and submit a report within 6 weeks. The Honorable High Court has also directed to conduct photography and videography of the entire survey proceedings, and 2 members from each party will be present during the survey proceedings. So this is a very important order so far as Bhojshala's case is concerned, and this will be, I think, a very major development, because in this case the only issue is determination of religious character, and once this report comes before the Honorable Court, the matter will be very crystal clear.
Okay, all right. Many thanks, Mr. Vishnu Jain, for speaking to us here on Times. Now, let me now go across to my colleague Ankit as well, joining us with more details, because interestingly, the petitioner states, Ankit, that the mosque had been constructed by destroying the ancient structure of previously constructed Hindu temple. Very, very similar to the Gyanvapi case as well. Over to you for more details.
We in fact have the order of the court ordering the survey, and it says that it has asked the director ASI relating to the entire site of Bhojshala temple Kamal Maula Mosque to undertake the survey. It wants a complete scientific investigation, survey and excavation through adoption of latest methods. It also says a detailed scientific investigation to be conducted adopting carbon dating methodology for ascertaining the age of various structures both above and beneath. It also wants a proper documented, comprehensively drafted report prepared by expert committee of not less than 5 senior officers. It also says that, like Vishnu Shankar Jain just told us, to photograph and videograph the entire survey proceedings in the presence of 2 nominated representatives of both the petitioners. It wants to unlock and open the sealed rooms, halls of the whole complex and prepare a complete inventory of each and every artifact, idol, deity and any structure. And it says any other study, investigation or inquiry which the 5-member ASI panel feels necessary to be undertaken without destroying, defacing or defacing the original nature of the whole complex. And it says all other issues and submissions relating to the relief as claimed by the petitioners or the right to worship and perform rituals in the disputed premises shall be considered and determined only after receipt of the aforementioned report from the expert committee.